Marina Square Auto Center strives to make buying or leasing a new or pre-owned vehicle a pleasant and rewarding experience. We are one of the premier dealerships in the country, as our commitment to customer service is second to none. We offer one of the most comprehensive sales, finance, parts, and service departments in the automotive industry. Come meet our knowledgeable and friendly staff and see our great selection of new and pre-owned vehicles, like this.
At Marina Square Auto Center, we know you are not just looking out for you. You need a vehicle for your entire family. Imagine driving this medium silver blue 09 Hyundai Santa Fe, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine. Enjoy this family SUV with features like MP3 player, power sunroof, electronic stability control, side airbag system, satellite radio, premium sound system, anti-theft devices, and much more. Enjoy the drive, feel safe, and have peace of mind in this 09 Hyundai Santa Fe. See us at Marina Square Auto Center today.
At Marina Square Auto Center, we are united in the absolute belief that every single day we must provide a professional and supportive environment which exemplifies pride, enthusiasm, honesty, and caring for all our customers and employees. Marina Square Auto Center at the Marina Auto Mall, just off the 880 freeway on Marina Boulevard. Come see us today.